How to quickly fix Netflix when the sound isn't working on your Sony Bravia TV. Do a full restart. Hold the power button until the TV turns off and back on. If it doesn't restart, unplug it for 10 seconds. Check your audio settings. Go to Home Settings, Display and Sound, Audio Output, and set Digital Audio Out to PCM. Open Netflix, play a show, and change the audio track to English, Original, not 5.1 or Atmos. If there's still no sound, turn off Dolby Digital Plus under Display and Sound. Sound. You can also force stop Netflix. Home, Apps, Netflix. Force stop, then reopen it. Update your TV software under Settings. System. About, System Update. Like and subscribe.